What's up, guys? Here is the screen of my laptop, which is a Dell XPS 15L502X, and as you can see, the screen is damaged internally. I'm gonna replace it, but as you can see, there's several cracks. This is all just messed up. I'm not sure when it initially cracked or what caused it, but I'm guessing it was during the evacuations for the wildfires, because I packed my electronics. I packed them up, took them with me, but I made sure to keep them cool. So I took them inside wherever I went. So yeah. Several cracks. Progressed really all the way down here. The screen size is 15.4 inches. And you can see just over a quarter, I'd say, of what is displayed on the screen. Here you can see the welcome screen. This is what it is on at the moment.